At Grace Engineered Products, we go to work every day with a clear purpose in mind, and that is ensuring that electricians go home safely without any incidents. We keep people away from voltage, and we do it productively. I'm Drew Allen with Grace Engineered Products. I'm the Director of Global Business Development here. Grace Engineered Products started back in 1991 with a brilliant idea. How can we keep engineers safe while accessing control panels? With that idea and a spark of innovation, the GracePort was born. I'm proud to say we've been a Rockwell Automation and Compass partner for over 20 years. We have distributors across 60 countries, giving us a fantastic launching pad to change safety cultures across the world. At Grace, we believe you can have safety and productivity working hand in hand. Working at Grace is a unique, compelling, and rewarding experience. We work on valuable problems that actually save people's lives. Grace believes in empowering our employees to make a change. While our work is serious and important, we love to have fun. Each week we get together for happy hour, typically on Thursday or Friday, depending on the time of the year. We also do game days throughout the week. Our rapid growth made it apparent we needed to move. Our new facility is over 47,000 square feet, giving us ample room to grow. We wanted to make a space that was reflective as us as a company. You'll find open offices throughout this facility, and a large kitchen and communal areas and collaboration spaces. You'll find shuffleboard and ping pong. It really is a world-class facility, and we hope you're able to stop by and check it out. Grace is a 100% family-owned business. We believe it offers us some significant competitive advantages, especially by allowing us to take much longer-term view on things and not having to worry about the quarterly profit report. It also allows us to treat our employees better than publicly traded companies. They're not just part of a company, they're part of a family. At Grace, you're not a number, you're a team member. On behalf of everyone here at Grace and the Allen family, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this gives you a great sense of who we are, and we look forward to working with you in the future.